Travel Tidbits podcast, hosted by the agents of Pineapple Escapes. Join us as we discuss the latest in travel news, destinations, and tips for the savvy traveler. After all, travel makes life sweeter.
Hello, and welcome to the Travel Tidbits podcast. I'm Sharon Sproul, one of the Pineapple Escapes travel agents. Thanks for joining me today as I share my love of the Walt Disney World dining plan. When it comes to Walt Disney World, there are so many topics that we could discuss, and I'm sure in time we will get there. But today, I want to focus on utilizing your snack credits with the Disney dining plan. So maybe we should take a step back when it comes to Disney and the dining plans. Walt Disney World offers their on-site guests the ability to add one of their 4 dining plan options to their vacation packages. The dining plan gives guests the all-inclusive feel without being at an all-inclusive resort. Each of the 4 dining plans gives each guest 2 snack credits per night of their stay. So if your family of 4 is staying on site for 5 nights, then each person gets 10 snack credits for a total of 40 snack credits for your family. All 40 credits go into one dining plan bank. So don't worry, you will not have to keep track of Little Susie's and Little Billy's snack credits. You can check your snack credits on the My Disney Experience mobile app, and there you can keep track of how many you have remaining for your trip. So what can you use these snack credits for? A snack includes one of any item on the menu with the purple DDP symbol. Yes, I know, over a podcast, this does not give you a picture of what it looks like, but trust me, when you're looking at a Disney menu, it will make sense. A snack is considered to be anything that is a single serving size. Your credits can be used for frozen novelties, like a Mickey ice cream, or possibly candy or fruit, funnel cakes, a single serving snack bag, possibly a drink like a 20-ounce bottle of soda and water, or a 22-ounce fountain drink, a single serving size of milk or juice, or a 12-ounce coffee or tea. Yes, that's right. You can use your Disney snack credits at the on-site Starbucks. You can also use them for popcorn and pretzels, which happen to be my mom's favorite. These, of course, are just to name a few. Now, my favorite snacks that I use my snack credits for is a Dole Whip. Obviously, we're Pineapple Escapes, so I love all things Dole Whip. A Dole Whip can be found at Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom, or the Disney's Polynesian Resort. My second favorite snack credit is the chicken fried rice at Animal Kingdom. Now, you will find this at the Yak and Yeti Local Food Cafe. Now, this is the quick service, not the table service Yak and Yeti. I don't want you to get confused. The chicken fried rice is filling and is plenty for me at lunch. The best part is I've only used a snack credit. So what do you do if you have snack credits left over at the end of your vacation? Well, whatever you do, do not let them go to waste. My family and I always plan to go to Disney Springs the morning of our departure for some last-minute shopping and a little lunch before we fly out. While we're at Disney Springs, we swing by the Goofy Candy Company and we spend our leftover snack credits on prepackaged treats that we can take home with us. When we're missing Disney at home, we just pull out some of the Goofy candy and we remember the great memories that we had. Of course, these prepackaged snacks can also be purchased at your on-site resort or even in the parks too. So don't feel like you have to go to Disney Springs on the day of your departure. I've also heard of guests who sprinkle pixie dust on other Walt Disney World guests and have bought snacks for those who are standing in line for popcorn and pretzels. I may actually have to try this with my family. After all, isn't it better to give than to receive? Now, unfortunately, because of COVID procedures in place at Walt Disney World, the Disney dining plans are currently not being offered. But I am hopeful that they will return and as we see life get back to our new normal. And we just want you to be prepared for your next trip with the Disney dining plan. Now, after all of this talk on snacking, I think I may need to go get me a snack. Does anyone want to bring me a Dole Whip? That really would be lovely. But before you go get me that Dole Whip, I would love it if you took a moment to give us a 5-star review. We appreciate your feedback on our podcast and would love to hear your ideas for future episodes. We would love for you to also follow us on social media, both Facebook and Instagram. You can find us at Travel Tidbits Podcast and at Pineapple Escapes. Make sure you are following us there. Thanks for listening to our Travel Tidbit this week. We'd love to help you plan the perfect trip to Walt Disney World. Email us at info@pineappleescapes.com to get started. Bye!
We hope you've enjoyed today's episode of the Travel Tidbits Podcast, hosted by Pineapple Escapes. Travel makes life sweeter. Let the experts help you plan a vacation with lasting memories. We'd love to help you plan your next vacation and have you join our community. You can find us on the web at www.pineappleescapes.com and on Facebook and Instagram at Pineapple Escapes.